Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT from Robinhood to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your accounts on both Robinhood and Coinbase are fully verified. This is essential to avoid any delays or issues with your transaction. Head over to the Robinhood app or website and log in. Navigate to your portfolio, find your USDT holdings, and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually under the Crypto section. Once you're there, select USDT as the asset you want to move. Now, you need the wallet address from Coinbase. Open your Coinbase app, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT specific address. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, as specified in 2025 updates to ensure compatibility. Back on Robinhood, paste that wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum limits or daily caps. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review any fees. In 2025, transaction fees might have changed, so keep an eye on Robinhood's fee structure to avoid surprises. After confirming the withdrawal, you'll get a verification code or email. Complete that step to finalize the process. Now, switch to your Coinbase app and refresh your wallet. Depending on network congestion, your USDT should show up in a few minutes to an hour. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into any hiccups, check the help sections on both platforms. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.